Welcome! In today's guide, we're diving into how to delete your Snapchat story. Whether you've posted something by mistake or simply want to remove your story, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, look for your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile page. Next, navigate to your current story under the My Stories section. Tap on the story you want to delete, and it will open for viewing. While viewing your story, look for 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen. These dots represent additional options. Tap on them to reveal a menu. From this menu, select the Delete option. Snapchat will then ask you to confirm your decision. Simply tap Delete again to finalize the removal. And that's it. Your story will be deleted instantly, ensuring it's no longer visible to anyone. If you have multiple stories to delete, just repeat these steps for each one. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're equipped with everything you need to quickly manage your Snapchat stories. See you next time.